Okay, on the left side of the greenhouse, this row has peppers, some lettuce. On the bottom there, has basil. Come back up, we have some tomato plants. Keep on going down. We got peppers right here. Up in the corner, we got some big tomato plants. And then as we go over to the right, we have potatoes. As we come outside, I got 4 rows. Tomatoes, all kinds of greens, spinach, bok choy, tomatillos. Let me go up to the tomatillos and I'll show you those. These are the tomatillo plants. As you can see, there's 2 tomatillos right there. They have like some kind of sheath membrane that covered the flower, and the tomatillo is developing inside that membrane. That was one of my best cauliflowers, the biggest, and I can't wait to eat that. Next, in front of the smaller greenhouse, there's lots of potatoes, and I believe some of those might be ready to go. There are 4 rows in this little greenhouse. I have on the right there, some celery. In the middle 2 rows is tomatoes, and then on the left side you got peppers. And as you go down the aisle, we have some eggplant there on the right. Let's see if I can get to see one of these eggplant up here. These are the long eggplants. There goes one right there. Right there. 2 of them. Long eggplants. It's the beginning of some tomato plants. Oh man, I can't believe it. There's a fly. Something's trying to bite me right there, but there it goes. There's some hot peppers. We got 4 hot pepper plants. Looks really good.